Alright, so big news. I have finally made the long-awaited Discord server. The link to it is going to be in the description and also on my Linktree page. And let me talk about it more. So this is the server right now, and the first thing I need to say right now is that I'm going to post a Q&A or a MA on this server on this Sunday, which is the next day after the video comes out, because well, I'm not going to be available during the Saturday since I go out, so don't expect me to answer any messages then, but maybe I'll have some time in the evening though. So you have your basic stuff as news, server announcement, you also have video alerts, right? You also have links, frequently asked questions, because under every single one of my videos there is at least 2 people asking if I'm Polish, so yeah, that's right here now. I will also be putting more stuff there. And then you have roles. You have all of these roles and what they do. The level 5 role allows you to send images and embedded links, and it's rewarded for activity, because I don't want people to immediately join the server and then just spam bad images, and I don't think anyone else would want that either. Right, you also have a few tag roles, since I know that a lot of developers also watch me too. So if you're a developer, a content creator, you can just get the tag by reacting to this image, or a subscriber also. Right, then you have all of your communication channels, and then there is the projects, and this is going to be a category for my ongoing projects that I'm going to be updating, and just send updates like videos, screenshots into this channel. I'll also be taking any suggestions and ideas too. And then you have the member only. This is automatically integrated from my channel, because well, speaking of memberships, I have recently been monetized thanks to a few of my videos well blowing up and doing really good, so I got the memberships. And I only have 1 level of memberships right now, and they're there to help me as a creator to get support from you guys, but I also want to help you too if you decide to support my channel and become a member, but I'm going to talk more about that later. Right now let me just go over the membership really quickly. So it's just this 1 level right here. This one is for $5, and don't worry, this will be changed to your local currency, but for the memberships you get the badges right here, the emotes, and basically everything that it says right here, which is exclusive member only videos, member only polls, and priority reply to comments. But there is also going to be more benefits. One is early access to videos, because I usually post them a day before or a few hours before they go live, so it can be a neat thing. And there is also going to be an exclusive member role in the Discord server, as well as the other thing that I want to talk about, which is this asset pack right here. And this is me saying that I want to help you guys too. So if you become a member, you will have access to this asset pack. And I will go over it in a bit, but I need to say that I don't want people to become channel members so they get the asset pack. I want this asset pack to be a reward for people who decide to support me, so I can show my support back. I basically want to make your money worth, so you can get something out of it too. So yeah, now just going over the asset pack. So I have all of these assets right here, and all of them are game ready assets. And all of them also use PBR materials. And talking about the PBR materials, I got all of them except the tire texture from this website right here, which is called Ambient CG. And all of their materials are provided under the Creative Commons 1.0 license. And also the creator says that you don't have to give credit, but I want to because this website deserves it, and that's where I get all of my materials from. And I feel like you guys, since a lot of developers watch me, should know about it too. And the tire material is from a different website called TextureCan, which also uses the Creative Commons 1.0 license. So yeah, now you know. But for the list of assets, like, you can see that they are ranging from a wooden pallet to concrete roadblocks to some tools and like metal things. And it's basically like a construction or an urban pack. And you have these traffic barricades, a traffic cone, concrete roadblocks. This one is like smooth on the top, and this one is more chiseled, because I've seen different ones as references, right? And I've also tried to make every UV, let's say on this barrel, on this asset, to be looping, so it doesn't have any seams, and it's a smooth transition between the material. Right now you can see it for yourself. You also have this metal barricade, and also these blocks or roadblocks with the handles, which I also forgot to mention. The handles are available in the pack too. It's just this model that has them joined, because well, I've made them later. And yeah, these gas tanks right here, 2 of them have this gas output in the valve, and 2 of them don't. It just felt like making them without it would look better, but I couldn't decide, so I made both. Right, you have this metal pipe and these reinforced concrete pipes. 2 of them also have these holes in here, and again, it's just from different references. And I thought that putting these tools like this pickaxe or this shovel would be cool too. And of course, these 2 manhole covers. And I was just randomly putting them around so you get an idea of what you can do with them. And yeah, I just did like an asset up, so it would just give you an example. And also you can see that you can put different materials on them, and these materials, since they are from a free website, I also thought that providing them in the asset pack would be an alright idea, so you wouldn't have to go through downloading the material, then importing into Roblox yourself, at least with a few of them. So yeah, there are also a few extra ones like these two metals, and they were actually used in my lightning tutorial that I've made a while ago. Right, so that's going to be the asset pack for channel members. But if you're not a channel member, I've made a free sample right here, and this one has just 5 assets and 4 materials, and I will leave this one linked in the description. This one is going to be on the Roblox platform, this one is going to be on the Discord. I'm going to make a message right here in the members chat that's going to leave a link to the file, and the file is going to be a Roblox model file, and it's going to be in the pinned messages right here. And I also wanted to make this asset pack a one-time thing where it's going to be available for you forever. So you're going to be able to use these assets even if you're not a channel member. And also, so it's not unfair for people and for me, I've made a license, which is a proprietary license, which also tells you where the materials are from. This license, since I am the copyright owner of these assets, because well, I also have a Blender file with all of them, so don't worry, I did not steal them or anything. If I allow someone to resell the assets on a different website, or just on Roblox, or not even resell, just distribute or share it for free, it would be unfair for me as the creator and unfair for you guys, people who support me and got the asset, and I just don't want that to happen. But going over the license a little bit more, but this license also tells you that you can share the assets on projects that you work on. So if you are making a game with a friend and you are a channel member and they aren't, you are able to use these assets in their game. And yeah, like I said, I want this asset to be a reward for people who support me, so I can give something back and support them too. And if any of you guys make any builds with these assets, you can always just share them on Discord too. I will be really happy to see them. Also, I could give you a shout out on the social media. And yeah, that's basically the overview of everything. So it's going to be a Discord server fake Q&A. I am monetized on YouTube with channel memberships, and there is also an asset pack available for channel members. And also, since I've got a Discord server too and a community of you guys, I will try to do different activities that are going to come in the future, like just game jams or just something else that I can do with my community. But that's going to be everything, so hope you had a nice day and see ya guys.